Hey there, little explorers. Are you ready to dive deep into the amazing world of seahorses? Get ready to discover some super cool fun facts about these magical creatures. Seahorses may look like they're straight out of a fairy tale, but they're real animals that live in the ocean. Let's jump in and learn all about them. Fun facts about seahorses. Weird looking, but wonderful, seahorses have long, curved tails and a head that looks like a horse's head. That's why they're called seahorses. They're not like other fish, they don't have scales, but instead, they have bony plates covering their bodies. Isn't that neat? Tiny but mighty, even though they're small, seahorses are strong swimmers. They can move their dorsal fin, that's the one on their back, up to 35 times per second. That's super speedy for such a little creature. Daddy daycare. Did you know that seahorse daddies are the ones who have the babies? Yep, you heard that right. After the mom lays her eggs, the dad carries them in his special pouch until they're ready to hatch. Talk about a cool dad. Colorful characters. Seahorses come in lots of different colors, like yellow, orange, red, black, and even rainbow. They can also change their color to match their surroundings. It's like they're wearing invisible camouflaged clothes. Perfectly posed, seahorses are masters of disguise. They use their tails to hold on to things like seaweed and coral, pretending to be just another piece of the ocean floor. It helps them hide from bigger fish who might want to eat them for lunch. Wow, weren't those seahorse facts amazing? These little creatures sure are fascinating. Remember, there's so much more to discover about the wonders of the ocean. Keep exploring and learning about the incredible animals that call the sea their home. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates on our expedition to the underwater world. Until we meet again, take care and bye.